Hello, how we doing, guys? All right, so we're going ahead and jump in, and this is homework 23, 7.2, and this is number 6. So this is a pretty good question right here. All right, so this first thing it says find the sample proportion of the candy that are in red. So what we're going to do right here, we're going to open this into Statcrunch. So let me pull up my Statcrunch. I open it already. So this is just all the data set inside of Statcrunch. Now simply, they ask us what proportion of candy are red. So all we're gonna do is just count how many red there are, so we can see one, two, three. Wait, you see there's 8 red. So we're gonna put that in our calculator. So all we're gonna do is 8 divided by the total. So we're gonna have to count everything. So 8 plus 6 for the blue, plus 6 plus there's 5 browns. There is 7 greens, and there are 5 yellows. All right, so it's 31 total. So now we're going to divide 8 divided by 31. So the amount of red candies divided by the total candies. So 8 divided by 31. So 8 divided by, just click it right here. All right, so that will be our proportion of red candy. So let's go and put that in. They said 3 decimals. So 0.258 looks good. Perfect. Now the next part is find a confidence interval. So this one you're gonna need Statcrunch as well. So go ahead and pull it up. So we go in data, go to proportion stats, correct? With we go with summary. All right, so the next part, we're just gonna fill everything in. So the number of success. So those 8 red candies out of the total was 31. Always click confidence interval, and they say 95%. Compute. All right, so here's our answer. Uh, the lower limit and the upper limit, and they went it into percentages with 1 decimal. So that would be 10.4% for the lower limit and 41.2% for the upper limit. My my dad's arguing in the background with my stepmom, so sorry if y'all hear that. So last question: is the result consistent with 29%? So basically, does is 29% within the interval? Yes, 29% is within the interval. All right, there you go. And that's the answer to question number 6. All right, thank you guys.